Welcome to channel. Here you will learn about the most interesting scientific fact.
There are several ways to make a GIF, including using online tools, software, or a combination of both. Here is a general overview of the process to make a GIF. 1. Choose the images or video. Decide on the source material for your GIF, such as existing images or a video clip. 2. Edit the images or video. Edit the source material to select the portion of the images or video that you want to use for your GIF. 3. Create the GIF. There are several ways to create the GIF. Online tools. Use an online GIF creator tool, such as Giphy or Canva, to upload the images or video and create the GIF. Software. Use image editing software, such as Adobe Photoshop or GIMP, to create the GIF by importing the images or video and using the built-in animation tools. 4. Customize the GIF. Customize the appearance of the GIF, such as adjusting the size, adding captions or stickers, and changing the frame delay time. 5. Save and share the GIF. Save the GIF in a web-friendly format, such as GIF, and share it with others by uploading it to a website or sharing it through social media.
Be sure to subscribe to support our channel.